Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chicken salad sandwich, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing the ingredients. Start by dicing half a red bell pepper, half a green bell pepper, 1 rib of celery, and half a red onion. Then shred a rotisserie chicken. If your pieces of shredded chicken are too big, you can use a knife to chop it up into smaller pieces. Next, chop up 3 boiled eggs. Once you finish prepping your ingredients, we can begin making the chicken salad. In a large bowl, add the shredded chicken. Then add a 1/4 cup of diced red onions, the diced celery we prepared before, a 1/4 cup of diced bell peppers, the chopped boiled eggs, a 1/4 cup of sweet relish, half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Now mix everything together until well combined. When you finish mixing everything together, taste the chicken salad and see if it needs any extra mayo, mustard, or seasonings. I added a bit more mayo in my chicken salad and I added some Creole seasoning. Once you finish making the chicken salad, you can start making your sandwich. First, take a croissant and cut it in half. Next, toast the croissant. This is optional, but I like to spread some sun-dried tomato pesto on 1/2 of the croissant, but you can add whatever you want, like mayo or mustard. Next, add some lettuce. I'm using butter lettuce. Then add a slice of tomato, and finally add some of your chicken salad on top. Next, close the sandwich and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This chicken salad sandwich was so good and super easy to make. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!